Greetings, everyone. This is Dr. Jester, and I am so excited you're going to be part of our class, the Christian Worldview and Missions class residency, INT 525. It's going to be an awesome time. Now, most of you are probably aware the classroom has not been available until today, so normally I have that set up several days in advance, and you would have access to that earlier than today, but for some reason they had a problem with the LMS system, and just got that resolved today. So finally the classroom's set up. We are ready to go. I've made several posts on here for you. So I'm excited about that and looking forward to it. If you're looking at my screen right now, what I've got for you. And so we're going to be talking about worldview, cross-cultural interaction. The three texts that we're going to have here is the Hebert text on transforming worldview, Dwayne Elmer's text on cross-cultural servanthood is an incredible text, and it's one that I take to heart, and I hope you do too. The Introduction to Missions text is also an overview for you. So as you're reading through that material, there's a lot there. You're going to benefit from it. But here's the issue. Most people, many of these terms, many of the things they're studying, anthropological issues, are all very new to most people. So I'm looking forward to unpacking that with you. But for most of you, as you go through this, it's all going to be new. And then when you get to residency week, I promise you that the light bulbs will go off. That's going to be one of the most intense weeks you've had in a long time. We're going to be meeting together. There are 3 different groups that are part of INT 525. You're with me and a couple of other professors, but when we meet together in residency, we're all going to join as an INT 525 group. You're going to be blessed. You're going to be challenged. Your mind is going to be enlarged, and I promise you it's going to be one of the most exciting times of your life. But I want you to just, first of all, start reading through the material. Watch the introductory videos. You'll see all of these right here. Dr. Hiles, Dr. Smith, and a couple of other people have given you some video introductions about what's going to be happening, so I am just looking forward to that. But we have about 6 weeks leading up to residency as we prepare for it, that first full week in August. So it's going to be great. And I promise you're going to enjoy Phoenix, even if it is hot. But the venue is going to be awesome at Canyon 49 Restaurant and the hotel. And then the conference center is where we'll be meeting, and it's right next door to the hotel, just across the parking lot. And it's going to be an awesome time. Here's what I want you to know. If you need to contact me at any time with any questions, any concerns, any challenges, please feel free to do so. My phone number will be posted on my bio on the class wall. And I would probably suggest that if you're going to need to contact me, it's best to first try a text, and then I'll respond to those much quicker. Just due to circumstances, I'm unable to respond to a phone call immediately, so I may be able to call you later, and I certainly will do that. But by all means, if you need to contact me, feel free to do it in any means possible, and I'll be ready and willing to help. Looking forward to it, and just praying that this will be one of the most exciting moments of your life and part of your program that will be the most memorable. God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.